Go!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The recent subscribers who subscribed to us, thank you. We really appreciate it. I hope you guys have had a great week. I've had a great week. Today was a long day, and I'm gonna end it with a good juice. So today, we juicing. So today's juice, we got some whole carrots. These have been in the fridge for like a week and a half, maybe two. What my lovely Nicole is gonna do is she's gonna grate them a little bit and get the kind of that first layer of skin off, and then we're gonna rinse them off. First step.
And he failed to mention that some benefits of carrot juice is increase the metabolism, strong eye vision. It helps to lower cholesterol. Just some benefits of carrot juice.
And Nicole needs the carrot juice because she can't see. Her eyes are terrible.
It improves skin vision as well.
This is my video, not hers. I don't know what she
Skin disorders. It improves skin disorders. Reduces cancer and a healthier pregnancy. Okay. And these carrots we got from Aldi. If you guys don't have an Aldi in your area, I don't know what to tell you, to be honest.
After she grates these and I chopped them, I'm gonna start with 4 and see where it ends up on the thing the juice goes into. And if it's not enough, you add more. If it's enough, perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna chop these first because you gotta get these ends off and those ends. I'm gonna chop them before she grates them.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna grate the first layer off like Andy said, and I'm gonna use like a potato grater. Here goes the carrots.
To make the juicing easy as possible, you want to get the carrot probably 3 pieces.
Babe, if Anne Burrell saw you cutting that up, she would have put a little red line on your finger. A lot of people cut like this, and that's not the proper way. Every time our worst cooks of America, every time she gets someone to do that, she put a red mark.
Oh. Now I'm gonna get my strainer, put these in, and wash them off. Boom, boom. And now after you have your carrots rinsed, you put it in. Start the juicer. I got this juicer from Amazon for $50. It works great. It's got 2 speeds. First speed is for softer fruits and vegetables. Second speed is for the harder fruits and vegetables. But I usually keep it on the highest speed anyway because it just seems to juice better. So I usually go a little bit higher than this, but I didn't really want that much, so the amount that this is perfect. So now you pour it up, pour it into the glass. I give it a nice little stir. Alright guys, so that's it for the carrot juice. For real though, it's really good. So if you like this video, thumbs up. And if you feel like clicking that subscribe button, do that. We really appreciate it.
Hit that subscribe button. It's not if you feel like it, hit it. Don't listen to Andy, listen to me. Okay.
That's it for this episode of We Juicin.
Bye guys.